Are you tired of your smartwatch falling short on your adventures? Do you crave a device that can keep up with your every move, from the highest peaks to the deepest oceans? Well, get ready to meet your newest companion, the Garmin Fenix 8. Rumor has it, this isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Today, we're diving deep into the world of leaks and rumors to uncover what could be the next big thing in wearable tech. The Garmin Fenix 8. Let's explore if this smartwatch is truly set to redefine outdoor adventures. Performance boost. First things first, let's talk performance. According to the Grapevine, the Fenix 8 is getting a serious power injection. A new processor is rumored to be at the heart of this piece, promising lightning-fast responsiveness. Imagine scrolling through maps without lag, switching between apps seamlessly, and getting real-time data at your fingertips. This could be a game-changer for those who demand the best. Battery life breakthrough. Battery life is a constant struggle for smartwatch users, especially when you're off the grid. But fear not, adventure seekers. The Fenix 8 is said to be packing a serious battery upgrade. Expect to go longer between charges, whether you're conquering a mountain or simply going about your day. And the Fenix 8 Pro, it's rumored to take battery life to a whole new level. Now, that's something to get excited about. Health and wellness focus. Garmin has always been a leader in health and wellness tracking, and the Fenix 8 is expected to continue this legacy. We're talking about even more accurate heart rate monitoring, deeper sleep analysis, and advanced recovery metrics to help you optimize your training. Plus, there are whispers of new features like stress tracking and advanced health insights. Your wrist is about to become your personal health coach. Navigation nirvana. Getting lost is no fun, especially when you're miles from civilization. The Fenix 8 is rumored to be a navigation powerhouse. Expect improved GPS accuracy, detailed topographic maps, and possibly even multi-band GNSS for better signal reception in challenging environments. Whether you're hiking, climbing, or sailing, you'll have the confidence to explore with ease. Display dilemma. A good display is crucial for any smartwatch, but the Fenix 8 is aiming to set a new standard. Rumor has it, we're in for a treat with improved sunlight readability, better scratch resistance, and possibly even solar charging on the Pro model. That means you can see your watch clearly in any condition and potentially extend battery life with the power of the sun. Beyond fitness, the Fenix 8 isn't just for athletes. It's looking to be a versatile smartwatch that can handle your everyday life. Expect features like contactless payments, music storage, and improved app compatibility. So whether you're hitting a gym or heading to the office, your Fenix 8 has you covered. The competition, let's face it, Garmin has some tough competition. The Apple Watch Ultra and Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro are both formidable opponents. To stand out, the Fenix 8 needs to offer something truly special. Advanced navigation tools, in-depth health metrics tailored for outdoor enthusiasts, and unbeatable battery life could be the keys to victory. Release date and price. So, when can we get our hands on this amazing smartwatch? Well, the release date is still shrouded in mystery, but we're hearing whispers of late 2024 or early 2025. As for the price, expected to be in the premium range, given the rumored features and upgrades. Are you as excited as we are about the potential of the Garmin Fenix 8? Stay tuned for more updates, rumors, and leaks. And remember, this is just speculation based on the information available. We can't wait to see what Garmin has in store for us. The Garmin Fenix 8 could be the ultimate smartwatch for adventurers and fitness enthusiasts alike, with its rumored performance boost, extended battery life, advanced health tracking, and improved navigation. It's shaping up to be a serious contender in the wearable tech market. We can't wait to see if it lives up to the hype. Thank you for watching.